I'm just going to show you how to complete fraction calculations using your calculator. Now, these two numbers here are mixed numbers, so a whole number and a fraction part. So we're going to use the mixed number button. If either part of your fraction was just the fraction part with no whole number in front of it, then you could use the basic fraction button here. Okay, but these two are going to use the mixed one. So we need to use our shift button up here and our fraction button. You see the little yellow symbol there. We now press it. We've got the yellow symbol because we used shift with the fraction button. There we just type in our numbers. You have to cursor across using your big cursor button here. Cursor down and then cursor across to get your multiplication in. It has to come outside of that fraction. Then we do that again. Shift and the fraction. Again, if it had just been a fraction part and no mixed number, you'd have just pressed your fraction button. So again, type the numbers in. 2, cursor across. 3, cursor down. 5, cursor across. And then equals. Now, that would make do as a part-way answer, and you may get 1 mark for that, but that's not your final answer. We've got top-heavy fraction, which nearly always is expected to be put back into a mixed number. Now you can do part of that by pressing your SD button here. We know that there are 7 whole ones that can be brought out of that number. Let's go back. So that means we can get 25 over 25 out of 182 7 times, because 25 over 25 is a whole one. So if we do that, we know we can get 7 lots of 25. So 7 lots of 25 is going to give us 175. So we now would have 182, take away 175, and we are left with 7. So the final answer would be 7 and 7/25. Okay, let's go on to another one. So this one, now an addition. Again, we can use our fraction button. So shift and our mixed number button, 1 and 1/5. Move across, add, fraction button, 2 and 1/4. Move across, equals 69 over 20. Press our SD button. It tells us that we can have 3.45. Now, that's not a mixed number, it's a decimal number. So we can have the 3. We know 3 whole ones. So that is 3 lots of 20 over 20. 20 over 20 is a whole one. So 3 lots of 20 is 60. So we used up 60 out of our 69. That means we've got 9/20 left. So our answer will be 3 and 9/20. So that's it. If you had a fraction with just the normal numerator and denominator, don't forget you just use this fraction button here. But don't forget, at the end, always convert it back into a mixed number if you can, or always simplify it down so it's got its lowest numerator and denominator by using common numbers for the top and the bottom. Hope that's useful.